Did you know that over 80% of women experience menstrual pain, but less than half of them find relief with over-the-counter medications? What if I told you that a common spice in your kitchen might be the answer you've been looking for? Let us talk about the science of how turmeric can transform your monthly experience. Hi, I'm Kate. I help women rebuild their gut and hormones naturally, especially after years of trying everything and still feeling off. I've walked through bloating, hormonal chaos, and period pain that stole days from my life. Now I teach what I've learned: science-backed and gut-focused healing strategies that actually work. In today's video, we'll cover why period pain is more than just cramps, how turmeric works in your body to fight pain, the special compound in turmeric called curcumin, the surprising connection between your gut health and period pain, why this approach might work better than pain medications. Let us start with understanding what is actually happening in your body during those painful cramps. During your period, your uterus contracts to shed its lining. These contractions are triggered by hormone-like substance called prostaglandins. Think of prostaglandins as chemical messengers that tell your uterus to squeeze. The higher your prostaglandin levels, the stronger your cramps. Many women who experience severe period pain actually have higher than normal levels of these prostaglandins. So, where does turmeric come in? This bright yellow spice has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, particularly in South Asian cultures. But what makes it so special? The magic ingredient in turmeric is called curcumin. It's the compound that gives turmeric its golden color, and more importantly, its powerful medicinal properties. When scientists study turmeric's health benefits, they are mostly looking at what curcumin does in the body. Research shows that turmeric helps with menstrual pain through three main pathways. Number one, curcumin reduces the production of those pain-causing prostaglandins by 40 to 60% by blocking certain enzymes in your body. Fewer prostaglandins means less intense cramping. Number two, turmeric has natural muscle relaxing properties that directly calm the contractions in your uterus. Number three, something surprising. Turmeric actually changes the bacteria in your gut, which in turn helps balance your hormones throughout your cycle. You might be wondering, what does gut health have to do with period pain? It turns out, everything. Recent research has uncovered what scientists call the estrobolome, the collection of bacteria in your gut that helps process estrogen. When these bacteria are out of balance, it can lead to hormone issues that make period symptoms worse. Turmeric helps beneficial gut bacteria flourish, creating a healthier environment for hormone processing. This isn't just theory. Clinical studies have shown that women taking curcumin supplements reported pain reduction of 1.25 to 1.41 points on pain scales compared to placebo. Even more impressive, they used 30 to 35% less pain medication when taking 500 milligrams of curcumin twice daily. Remember, natural approaches like turmeric aren't just masking symptoms. They are addressing some of the root causes of menstrual discomfort by working with your body's own systems. If this hit home, subscribe so you don't miss what is next. I'll be breaking down how curcumin actually reduces inflammation and what to look for in a supplement. For more detailed information on turmeric and other natural approaches to women's health, visit my blog at guthormonelab.com, where I've compiled research-backed articles and guides. Let me know in the comments if turmeric has helped you, or if you're just hearing about this for the first time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.